To help us add and subtract expressions, let's first review two ways to simplify expressions. First is combining like terms. For linear expressions, the terms that have the same variable are like terms. Also, the terms without a variable are like terms. Like terms can be combined into a single term. So look at this expression. 5x plus 8 plus 2x plus 4. These are the pair of like terms. 5x and 2x because they each have the variable x. 8 and 4 because they don't have any variables. Let's group these together. To simplify, we add. To add terms with variables, we add their coefficients. A coefficient is a number directly in front of a variable that is multiplied by that variable. So to combine the like terms 5x and 2x, we add the coefficients 5 and 2 to get a new coefficient, 7. So 5x plus 2x equals 7x, and 8 plus 4 equals 12. So combining like terms gives us 7x plus 12. We can't simplify this any further because 7x and 12 are not like terms. So 5x plus 8 plus 2x plus 4 equals 7x plus 12. So let's try another example. Simplify 9g plus 3 minus 2g by combining like terms. 9g and 2g are like terms because they both have the variable g. Let's group those together, but notice that this time the term 2g is being subtracted. So when we combine the like terms 9g and 2g, we have to subtract 2 from 9 to get the new coefficient. 9 minus 2 equals 7. The simplified expression is 7g plus 3. So 9g plus 3 minus 2g equals 7g plus 3. Another way to simplify expressions is by expanding expressions. This is where we multiply to get rid of parentheses using the distributive property. When we have a single term outside of parentheses, we multiply that term by each term inside the parentheses. For example, let's simplify 5 times the quantity negative 3y plus 4 minus 8y. And sometimes it can be easier to keep track of negative values if you rewrite the subtraction as addition. So let's first change the subtraction to the addition of its opposite. Subtracting 8y is the same as adding negative 8y. Now, let's use the distributive property. Multiply 5 by each term. 5 times negative 3y is negative 15y. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times negative 8y is negative 40y. That gives us negative 15y plus 20 plus negative 40y. And now we can simplify by combining like terms. First, group the like terms. Negative 15y and negative 40y are like terms because they both have the variable y. And then combine. Negative 15y plus negative 40y is negative 55y. The simplified expression is negative 55y plus 20. So 5 times the quantity negative 3y plus 4 minus 8y equals negative 55y plus 20. Great, let's keep going. In this next example, we have two linear expressions, 7n minus 3 and 3n minus 4, and we're adding them together. Let's use some of the same strategies we've already learned to simplify. First, let's rewrite subtraction as addition. Minus 3 becomes plus negative 3, and minus 4 becomes plus negative 4. And now we can group like terms, 7n and 3n, and negative 3 and negative 4. 7n plus 3n is 10n, and negative 3 plus negative 4 is negative 7. Finally, we can rewrite plus negative 7 as minus 7. So 7n minus 3 plus 3n minus 4 equals 10n minus 7. Now let's try subtracting. Simplify 9c plus 3c plus 6 minus 2c minus 7. To subtract an expression in parentheses, we subtract each term inside the parentheses. And since subtraction is the same as adding the opposite, We can rewrite this by adding the opposite of each term inside the parentheses. Minus a positive 2c is the same as plus a negative 2c. And minus a negative 7 is the same as adding 7. That gives us 9c plus 3c plus 6 plus negative 2c plus 7. And just like before, group like terms, there are 3 terms with the variable c and 2 terms with no variable. And let's combine. 9c plus 3c plus negative 2c equals 10c. And 6 plus 7 equals 13. So 9c plus 3c plus 6 minus the quantity 2c minus 7 equals 10c plus 13. And there you have it! You can add and subtract linear expressions.